News to get to at 6 o'clock. First, state employees, the latest to be required to get the COVID vaccine.
This comes as another child in Virginia has died from COVID complications. All health officials will say right now is that the person was between 10 and 19 years old and lived in the eastern part of the state.
Plus, all public school districts in Virginia must require universal masking for now, all because of a new state law from a local Republican in the General Assembly. The governor saying to school districts who don't plan to require masks, get your legal teams ready.
Tonight we have live team coverage for you parents. We'll get to that school mask story in a moment.
But state employees, listen up. Henry Graff standing by live with what you need to know about this new mandate. Henry.
Kirk, good evening. That mandate covers about 120,000 state employees here in Virginia. The governor saying that he had to make this decision in part because of the Delta variant spread here in Virginia, but he's also hoping other organizations will follow suit. Starting September 1st, state employees must show proof of COVID-19 vaccination.
There is no reason why we need to see more suffering and sickness.
Thursday, Governor Ralph Northam announced a vaccine mandate for about 122,000 under his control. The executive order will require proof of vaccination for at-will, classified, waged, and other salaried employees in the executive branch, workers at the DMV, VEC, and Virginia State Police.
I am directing this measure to keep state employees safe and to keep the people that we serve safe. And I really encourage local governments and private companies to do the same thing.
It does not, however, cover the legislative or judicial branches of government, nor K-12 staff and teachers. Like other vaccine mandates we've seen so far, the state does have an exemption for medical or religious reasons, but those folks will have to be regularly tested for COVID-19. Failure to comply is considered a safety violation, and employees will face consequences.
We are still working all of the bugs out, and we hope to have a policy out within the next 15 to 30 days prior to September 1.
While COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths are creeping back up due to the Delta variant in Virginia, so too are vaccination rates, with just over 13,000 doses in the last day.
Maybe you're worried about side effects. Maybe you wanted to wait and see how other people reacted to the vaccine. But I hope you will listen to me and hear me now. The time for waiting is over.
Back out here live, Northam says he's not contemplating an indoor mask mandate at this point in time. I asked him why not. He says, while the science does say masks help in all of this, the best tool we have right now is the vaccine, and that is where his focus is. For now, we are live and on your side here in downtown Richmond. I'm Henry Graff, NBC 12 News.
All right, thank you, Henry.